Guangzhou Shanying Sports Apparel Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional outdoor sportswear supplier, specializing in the production of sports suits, such as t-shirts, polo shirts, pants, shorts, training and jogging suits, football, basketball uniforms, baseball wear and hoodies, sweatshirt, jacket. We have strict quality control system, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. Our associated factory, with 13 years of experience in the design and manufacture of high-end outdoor sportswear, has an area of 9,778 square meters. Firstly, advanced manufacturing lines, 10 experienced R&D designers, BSCI certificate, many skilled workers and professional quality control personnel. A monthly output of 450,000 pieces, 3,000 square meters in stock, and a complete supply chain system to meet our customers' requirements. Shanying Sports focus on foreign export 15 years. We adhere to the concept of providing customers with satisfactory services and reliable products. Our markets are mainly distributed in North America, Europe, Oceania, Middle East, Asia. Our products have been highly recognized and evaluated by customers. As an outdoor sportswear manufacturer, we can provide customers with one-stop procurement services to meet the diverse needs. If we have the opportunity to cooperate with you, we will try our best to provide you professional services. Looking forward to cooperating with you.